Welcome to our deep dive into implementing data contracts for ML success. In this video, you'll learn how to design and enforce data contracts to ensure reliable and robust machine learning models.
Imagine building a house on a shaky foundation. That's what deploying ML models without data contracts is like. Welcome to today's video, where we unravel the significance of data contracts in machine learning pipelines. Data contracts act as a foundation, ensuring that data flows reliably and consistently, minimizing errors and enhancing the robustness of your models. Over the next 15 minutes, we'll explore how to implement these essential agreements, beginning with understanding their core purpose and significance.
Data contracts are formal agreements between different parts of an ML system, specifying the data format, quality, and structure expected at various stages. They play a critical role in ensuring that data meets predefined standards before being fed into machine learning models. By clearly defining what data should look like, data contracts help maintain data quality and facilitate clear communication between data producers and consumers. An effective data contract includes detailed specifications such as data types, mandatory fields, and acceptable value ranges, serving as both a blueprint and a checklist for data integrity.
Data contracts offer numerous benefits in ML pipelines. Firstly, they improve data consistency by ensuring that all data inputs adhere to a predefined schema, reducing the likelihood of errors. This consistency is vital for maintaining model accuracy and reliability. Secondly, they enhance data transparency by providing a clear understanding of data expectations, which is crucial for debugging and model maintenance. Additionally, data contracts facilitate better collaboration among teams by clearly defining data responsibilities, ensuring each team knows what to expect and what is expected of them.
Implementing data contracts is not without its challenges. Identifying the most relevant data to include in contracts can be daunting, especially in large, complex datasets. Finding the right balance between flexibility and rigor is also crucial to avoid stifling innovation while ensuring standards. Getting stakeholder buy-in is vital. Without it, data contracts might not be adhered to or prioritized. Another challenge is integrating these contracts with existing systems without causing disruptions. Finally, managing version control of data contracts ensures that changes are tracked and communicated effectively, preventing confusion and maintaining consistency across ML operations. Implementing data contracts involves a series of steps. Start by identifying key data elements critical to your ML models. Define the standards and formats these data elements must adhere to, ensuring they align with your overall data strategy. Next, set up monitoring and validation processes to ensure data compliance with these standards. Document these agreements thoroughly and communicate them to all stakeholders involved in the ML pipeline. Finally, review and iterate on these contracts regularly to incorporate new insights and changes in data requirements, ensuring they remain relevant and effective.
Numerous tools and frameworks can assist in managing data contracts. Popular options include Great Expectations, which offers robust data quality checks, and TFX, which integrates seamlessly with TensorFlow pipelines. These tools provide automation capabilities, reducing manual effort and ensuring consistency across datasets. They are designed to be scalable and flexible, supporting various data environments and pipeline architectures. Additionally, many of these tools have active communities and rich resources, providing support and facilitating knowledge sharing. Choosing the right tool depends on your specific needs, existing infrastructure, and team expertise.
Let's explore some real-world examples where data contracts have made a significant impact. Industry leaders like Netflix and Airbnb have successfully implemented data contracts to streamline their ML operations. In these case studies, the companies reported enhanced model performance and reduced error rates. They also shared valuable lessons learned and best practices, such as the importance of stakeholder engagement and iterative contract reviews. These examples demonstrate how challenges like scalability were overcome, showing that data contracts are not just theoretical concepts but practical tools that drive tangible improvements in ML outcomes.
Maintaining data contracts is an ongoing process that requires attention to best practices. Regular reviews and updates are essential to keep contracts aligned with evolving data needs and technological advancements. Involve stakeholders from various teams to ensure all perspectives are considered, fostering a culture of collaboration and buy-in. Clear and comprehensive documentation is crucial to prevent misunderstandings and ensure everyone is on the same page. Establish feedback loops to capture insights and areas for improvement, making continuous improvement a core principle of your data contract strategy.
The landscape of data contracts is evolving with emerging technologies and innovations. As regulatory environments change, particularly with increasing data privacy concerns, data contracts will play a pivotal role in compliance. The growing importance of data ethics will also shape how data contracts are designed, with a focus on transparency and fairness. AI and automation are expected to enhance contract management processes, making them more efficient and scalable. These trends highlight the need for organizations to stay ahead of the curve, adapting their data contract strategies to leverage these advancements and meet future challenges.
As we wrap up, let's recap the key takeaways. Data contracts are foundational to successful ML operations, ensuring reliable data flows and robust models. We encourage you to start implementing these contracts in your pipelines to minimize errors and enhance data consistency. If you found this video helpful, please share your thoughts in the comments below. Let us know what topics you'd like us to cover next. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more insights into machine learning and data management. Thank you for watching.